Hello friends, my name is Devansh and today I'm going to talk about alternative investment. If you don't know anything about alternative investment, so this video is for you. Keep watching and let's enjoy. What is alternative investment? Alternative investment are those investment which does not fall into the category of equity, income and cash. So there are some examples like private equity or venture capital, hedge fund, real estate and commodities. Most alternative investments are unregulated by Security Exchange Commission. Alternative investment tend to be somewhat illiquid. It means you cannot convert it into cash easily. Earlier, it was only for institutional investor, but now alternative investment have become feasible to retail investor via alt fund, ETF, and mutual funds. This is a picture of alternative investment which show that there are traditional and non-traditional investment. Those which are non-traditional investment are all alternative investment. So let's move on to real estate. What is real estate? Real estate is a type of alternative investment. How you can invest in real estate effectively? First, you have to gain market knowledge of real estate. The second, you have to analyze how much you can earn return. The third, you have to manage risk. Fourth, what are the sources of finance? And the fifth, which exit strategy you can apply. What are the benefits of real estate investing in real estate? First is tax deduction. Second is tangibility. It is a physical asset which you can touch and feel. The third is a good cash return. You have to know diversification and you have to select the best location and you have to be patient. So let's move on to the type of investing in real estate. First is residence, single and multiple family. Third is apartment building. Fourth is commercial, which is profitable. Fifth is industrial, retail, and the last is REIT. REITs is type of fund which invest your money in real estate. It is an indirect investing in real estate. The second alternative investment is hedge fund. A hedge fund is a fund that invests in riskier and more aggressive investment option. It also invests in museum and quality arts. So how they invest your money? First, they pull your money and then they invest in aggressive investment that is called hedge, and they get high return and you will also get high return. What are the characteristics of hedge fund? First, it has high fees and complex extensive structure. The second is illiquidity. The third is lack of regulation. The fourth is lack of transparency. Let's move on to private equity. What is private equity? So private equities include those investors which invest directly in private companies who does not issue their shares. What is venture capital? Suppose you have a superb idea and you ask for a bank for your startup, but they reject it. So you go to the venture capital, they invest your money and they owe some ownership in your business. But if you will get a good cash help from them. So what are the pros and cons? First is counterweight to conventional asset. The second is portfolio diversification. The third is inflation hedge. You will also beat inflation rate. The fourth is high reward. You will always get high reward. What are the cons? It is difficult to value. It is illiquid. It means you cannot convert it into cash easily. The third is unregulated by SEC, and fourth is high risk.